Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm gonna show you how to make this Goan Verdur with butternut pumpkin. This recipe is made with coconut milk and lots of other spices. You'll absolutely love this recipe. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first, in a mixer jar, add 3 tablespoons dry coriander seeds, add 12 cloves, add 2-inch cinnamon stick, 3 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, half cup water. Then blend this to a paste. Paste should look something like this. Then leave this aside. Then in a hot pan add oil. Add 3 onions chopped and fry it until it is soft. Then add 1 tomato chopped, add 2 green chilies and fry it until the tomato is nice and soft. Then add washed and clean dried prawns and fry this for about 2 minutes. Then add the masala paste which was previously made. And add half cup of water. Then cook this for about 2 minutes. Then add 200 ml coconut milk and give this a mix. Then add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix it and allow it to boil. Then add some salt to taste and add 1 stock cube and give this a mix. Then add 600 grams butternut pumpkin medium dice and give this a nice mix. Then cover it and allow it to boil. Then give this a mix. Then cover it and cook it until pumpkin is nice and soft. Something like this. So the butternut pumpkins are ready and it is ready to serve. It is a really delicious recipe and very simple to make, that anyone can make this recipe. So do try this recipe at home and also do comment and let me know. If you like this recipe, then please hit the like, and if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes in the future. So thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.